Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina, and in today's video we're getting into how I set the table for Thanksgiving. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina. In today's video, we are going to be getting into doing a Thanksgiving table spread. So I'm happy that you are here. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I do appreciate it. As right now, I do a video every 2 weeks, but as I get closer to the holidays, they will be even more frequent. We are doing the browns and the orange and the blues this time around. If you saw my last video with the coffee bar, I incorporated all of those colors, so I wanted to incorporate them into the table spread this time. So stay tuned. There are a lot of nice things I used in here that wasn't expensive at all, that you could find at Hobby Lobby, HomeGoods, also at home, and then some of my old DIY projects that I used before. So stay tuned, watch the whole video, let me know what you think, and I will be right back. In this part, I wind up cutting down the garland some because it was so long. I wanted to be really centered and then wanted to come over to the placemat, so I cut it down, but I saved those pieces. So if you're doing the same thing or using the same garland, save those pieces because we're going to use them later. You'll see in the video. Where we're going to be using that piece that I told you to save. I believe in creating a scenery anywhere that you are sitting at the table, and in the vase putting those and adding some lights and adding some other leaves. Just make it where you're sitting at the table, you're just not looking at a stem of flowers, but you have a scenery from the back of the table as well. This coaster I did last year for Thanksgiving, one of my DIY projects. I put the link so you're able to view if you want to decide to make it yourself. It went very well with my decor on my table last year and this year. There you have it, guys. I am all done with the decor on the table. I love how I still have space to put your dishes. You pass it around desserts or food, bottles of wine, anything else that you're adding to your table. Is plenty of space on there where it's not being overly crowded. I love how it came out. If you did this with me today, I hope you love how yours came out. And thank you for tuning in once again, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.